In the world of fashion, change is the order of the day. What's in vogue today can easily become passé the next day. Keeping pace with the changing world of fashion is one company that delivers on the promise. A company trusted by some of the major fashion houses and brands the world over. The Royal Classic Group. One major factor that makes the Royal Classic Group the most trusted name by international brands and fashion houses is that they are one of the very few in the world equipped with everything from raw material production to manufacture of the finished garments. This unique factor is what sets the group apart and gives it the ability to consistently meet customer expectations for quality garments. Cotton cultivation, ginning, spinning, knitting, dyeing, stitching, and every other production activity are completely in-house, a claim that not many can make, not only in the country, but even in the global context. What's more, the group has also invested in windmills for captive power generation and also set up a reverse osmosis plant to treat effluent and thus ensure environmental protection. That isn't all. Even logistics is handled in-house to ensure prompt and timely delivery. As a company that swears by quality, the Royal Classic Group believes in exerting control over every process parameter, right from the raw material procurement to the manufacture of the finished goods. In fact, raw material, which is cotton, is cultivated at the company's extensive farmlands and through contract farming to ensure quality right at the preparatory stage. As the quality of the raw material can certainly impact the final product, no efforts are spared to guarantee that it's of the highest standards. The spinning division is equipped with the latest machinery, augmented by online testing facilities. This modern 25,000 spindle-strong spinning mill boasts of machines from the leaders in the field like Truth Gessler, Rita, Zinsser, Kirlosker Toyota and Schlafhorst, among others. Quality control is carried out by testing equipment from Uster. The knitting division is also top of the line with the capacity to produce 10 tons a day. Fabric managers, with the aid of the world-renowned Starfish software, ensure that all the quality parameters are strictly adhered to. The knitting section showcases the latest machinery in the field and includes Bayer and C machines from Germany, and the knitting machines include Singer jersey, interlock, rib machine, jacquards and striper machines. The knitted fabrics are then delivered to the dye house. There is a lot riding on processing, and every care is taken to ensure that the dyeing and printing are done by strict adherence to the required standard European norms. In fact, the very latest equipment, autocolor, is employed to ensure color fidelity. In the cutting department, both the open width and tubular cutting are employed. Depending on the end use, and accuracy is strictly adhered to. Made possible by machines from Berbe and Curis Vastema CNC machines. The sewing department is one of the best in the world, with operators trained by American and Italian trainers and sewing machines from Japan. The finished garment then goes through extensive checking to ensure that all the quality parameters have been met as per the quality norms of the respective buyer. The logistics department is fully equipped to deliver on schedule and can handle NOS, never out of stock, made possible by appropriate software support. The Royal Classic Group, by maintaining total control over every single manufacturing process, virtually ensures products that more than meet customer expectations. The seamless integration of all the processes and the online quality control at every stage gives them the confidence to meet any challenges the future may bring. With all this going for them, it comes as no surprise that some of the leading brands and fashion houses in the world trust Royal Classic Group to deliver on the promise. The Royal Classic Group's endeavor is to build long-lasting relationships with customers and reiterate their commitment to measure up to customer requirements at all times